full coverage. Still a dirt line there. Auto Perfect Pro Wash, but I'm going double the strength. So is there an actual pre-wash that can do all that cleaning power without the downside? Got this very nice Porsche Boxster GTS in for its monthly valet. A lot of people don't know this, little secret, problem that a lot of people have when it comes to pre-washes. And it's trying to find the perfect one. So this is my benchmark car that I always test pre-washes with, and today we've got Auto Perfect Pro Wash. It's a traffic film remover and it says dilute it down 10:1, but I'm going double the strength, okay? So in the pump sprayer, can you see the 6 litre mark there? So I've done 5 parts water to 1 part product. What that basically means is 5 litres water, 1 litre is product. So it's twice the strength that it should be. If that isn't good enough, then it's not gonna really work, is it? So if you haven't already seen, you've joined us on a typical, beautiful British day. Make sure you stick around first. We've got to do the wheels, arches, all that good stuff, and then I'll show you how good the pre-wash is or isn't. I've been in search for a good pre-wash many years. There are some good pre-washes out there. The last one I was using was Jenny Ken's TFR, their non-caustic pre-wash, and it was okay, but still I cannot find a pre-wash that will safely remove more than 80% of the dirt off the car. So this is a question I get almost daily.
James, what pre-wash should I use?
James, what's this should I use? What that should I use? What shampoo should I use?
What do you use?
I'm still finding out for myself half the time. I am on a mission to find a pre-wash that will remove more than 80% of that dirt, grime, traffic film off the car safely. So we're going to lay down my wheel cleaner, let it sit, rinse that off, and that's a good pre-wash, as we all know guys, for our wheels. What's your pre-wash? What are you using? Let me know in the comments. Oh, by the way guys, Auto Perfect have not paid me to do this. I've bought this myself and it's just something I like to do all the time because it helps not only me, but it also helps you. Of course it does, right?
At a pace soon as I pull up, dropping buckets. Yeah, like it's nothing.
The reason why I'm doing it on this customer's car is 1, because of the colour, and 2, there is no coating, sealants, waxes on this car, so it was always a true test for me for pre-washes because there's no protective barrier on this paintwork. What you see is what you get, because she doesn't want it waxing, sealing, coating, she just wants it clean and valid every month, which is fine. But then again, it's perfect for me to try pre-washes on this car. That's the reason why. That there are pre-washes out there that are incredibly good at ripping dirt off the car, but it's going to leave chemical staining on plastic trim, got chrome, it's going to really discolour that chrome. There are products out there that will do a phenomenal job at ripping dirt off, but the byproduct of that is actually end up damaging your wax layers, your sealant layers, and yeah, your trims and stuff potentially. So is there an actual pre-wash that can do all that cleaning power without the downside? Don't know, I'm still on the hunt for it. Whichever comment for the next pre-wash gets the most likes on this car, I will test that pre-wash. That's fair, innit? You decide. And don't say something in the comments like me nan's bath water, alright? An actual pre-wash, alright? Even if you send it me, I ain't doing it. You'd maybe do it, wouldn't you?
I would.
You'd maybe do it, wouldn't you? There, imagine if it was super strong. Removes everything out. Wheels done. Now time for the 50-50 on the back end. Anyway, full coverage. Right, we're out of direct sun. Chemical is not going to dry, and we're now about 30 seconds in. I want to set the timer on my phone and we'll leave it on for about 3 minutes. So once it gets to about 2.5 minutes, that'll be roughly our 3 minutes, right? That's fair, yeah?
Sound.
Moment of truth. Let's find out how good it is or isn't. And you can tell there's zero bullshit because there's dirt there and there isn't dirt there, yeah? Pre-wash put on, pre-wash not put on, okay? Straight down the middle, off we go. Now, to the untrained eye, you'd look at that and go, that is fucking brilliant. Check this out. This is the true test. Now, can you see the problem that I've been having for many, many years? Yes, it has done a good job and ripped off 80% safely of all the dirt off the car. As you can see, of course it has, but there is still traffic film, dirt and grime on the car. Now honestly, that's fine for a pre-wash, that's an okay pre-wash, but I'm still on the hunt for the perfect pre-wash, so more of that dirt is removed. So your black cars, your darker coloured cars, you'll never notice it. This is why I always test pre-washes on this car. Now I know what you're going to say, James, you'll snow foam the car and then that will remove the remaining bits of the dirt and grime safely off the car. Well, let's find out, shall we?
Can we ask why you looks like you've got a black eye, James?
Does it look like I've got a black eye? The kid might have one-bombed me last night, that's probably why. You see, we've laid that down. It's been sat on there for a good 3-ish minutes. There's dirt there, rinsed it off there, and there's still a dirt line there. Still going to snow foam and rinse it, see if it's still there. Snow foam going on. Again, we're going to let it sit for 2, 3, maybe even 4 minutes. Rinse and see if the dirt is still there. So easy car guys, Arctic snow foam has been set. Okay, I don't want to set. Dwelling is the right word. And now after sort of 3 minutes, got to rinse away and see if that dirt is still there using all our safe washing techniques, all right? Such a child. Look at this now on camera with Elliot filming behind the camera, sexy man himself. Elliot, loving life. You go, it's clean, James, done an amazing job, 10 out of 10. Well, can't see them in the back, Elliot told me you can't see them on camera, but check this out. Again, a dirt line. We've put the pre-wash on, as you've seen, 3 minutes. Rinse off, still there. Snow foam on, dwell, 3 minutes, rinsed off, still there. Arguably you could say, oh, James, have an alkaline base rather than pH neutral base snow foam like I've put on. That's got better cleaning power. That would... We shouldn't have to do that. The point I'm trying to get across to you is I'm still after the perfect pre-wash. Anyway, if you want to know and have a checklist on how to do everything safely, there'll be a link below this video, free checklist for you on how to safely wash, prep, decontaminate your car. A little thank you from me to you because I value each and every single one of you. Don't hate me, all right? This isn't me hating car care cleaning companies. I'm not doing that. That's not the point of this video, okay? The point of this video is for me to show you how good and the level you get with a lot of these chemicals. It will not remove 100% of the dirt. It won't do it. I still haven't found a pre-wash that will do that. If there is one, let me know. The aim is to remove 80-ish%. If it does that, job's done, right? It's achieved. That's why we've got me mitts, that's why we have the shampoos, that's why we have the other products, because there's still dirt on the car. But I'm just trying to find some of the best stuff out there and educate you guys. Does that make sense? We're just trying to help the guys out, do you know what I mean?
So out of 10, what's your opinion on that pre-wash?
Because it's removed 80% of the dirt, I'd give it 8 out of 10, which is good, by the way. Would I suggest you go and buy it? Yes, I would. But still, you reject it then. It's still not the best. I mean, maybe I'd give it another ranking if I'd look at the price point, because I cannot remember how much it was. Because obviously price is a massive factor for me that does it on a daily basis, right? Is it the best one out there? Don't think so. beautiful British weather, we have got a nice little lean-to at the side of the house, so I don't have to get the gazebo up, so we can squeeze in, get the car dry. Bit pointless because the second it goes out it's fucking wet again, but we don't want spots. Now we're tackling the interior. Enough talking, let's just get doing. Yeah, oh, 50p. Nah, I think it's a toenail. Oh, protein. Introduce yourself for one. If you're a fat little shit and you like car valeting and car detailing, you're going to struggle. You've got to be nimble. You've got to be a ninja. I'll pass you. Less rain. Please, less rain. Stop raining. Are you ready? If you do like these videos, please give us one of them. I appreciate it so much. Also subscribe if you haven't already so you can keep up to date with future videos and all the stuff that's going to be coming. If you comment on this video, I will reply to it. It doesn't matter what it is, okay? Thank you very much for watching. And as always, for my favourite bit, the after shots, because it gets to show off how good the car is. Not what I've done to the car, just the car. Not me, it's the car. If you'd like a free checklist on how to safely wash prep your car, link below for you for free. All you don't do is put your details in there and it gets sent to you via email. It's easy as that.
James,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
checking the arch. What do you think I'm doing?